this one is a little bit difficult. February.
February.
February.
February.
February.
February.
There we go.
February.
Yes, there we go. Okay, February. So, which is in Turkish, February is
Şubat.
February. Hello everyone, welcome back again.
Hello.
I am Wissam,
And I am Seray.
and welcome again to a new video with us, the amazing program. Well, talk repeat actually.
Arkadaşlar çok güzel yorumlar atmışsınız. Hepsini okuyoruz.
Yes.
Ve çok mutlu oluyoruz.
Yes. Today, my friends, we are going to learn some words about the weekdays and the weekend.
Hadi
Yes.
öğrenelim.
Yes. So, weekdays are hafta içi.
Yes.
And what about weekends?
Hafta sonu.
Which is actually literally exactly the translation from
Yeah,
Turkish.
weekend.
İçi, weekday. I mean, okay, not that
Hafta
one.
günleri diyoruz
Yes.
resmen.
But weekends is exactly the same as Turkish. Hafta sonu,
Evet,
weekend.
hafta sonu.
So, yeah. So, weekdays and weekend. By the way, what is your favorite day?
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Why Saturday?
Çünkü ondan önceki gün uyurken mutluyum zaten gece. Çünkü yarın sabah tatil. Sabah da geç uyanıyorum çünkü hiçbir işim gücüm yok. Aynı zamanda gece de geç yatmak zorunda değilim çünkü yarın da hafta sonu.
Yes, tomorrow is hafta sonu. Well, for you, I have to work tomorrow, so it doesn't matter. Yes. Yeah, English teacher's job is difficult. Anyways, let's count the days. Let's start from Monday.
Okay.
Monday, which is in Turkish.
Pazartesi.
Yes. So a lot of people say Monday, as in
Monday.
Yeah, but it's actually pronounced as Monday. Now, I mentioned in one of the previous videos about the letter O. It doesn't always sound like O.
O.
It sounds It's most of the time it sounds like A. Okay. So this is one of the times. It is Monday, not Monday.
Okay.
That's one. The next day we have is
Tuesday.
Tuesday. That's easy. Tuesday. Next one we have.
Dur, o hangi gün? Salı.
Oh, sorry. Tuesday is
Salı.
Salı. Okay, never mind. So Tuesday is Salı. That's an easy one. Tuesday. Next one we have
Wednesday.
Wednesday, which is
Çarşamba.
Çarşamba. Now, about the day Wednesday, it's written with a D. So some people read it like Wednesday.
Ben de öyle okuyordum.
Yes.
Öğrendim ama.
But it's actually Wednesday. So the D
Wednesday.
is silent.
Wednesday.
Yeah. Next one we have is
Thursday.
Thursday. So this is another day that a lot of people confuse it because it's similar to Tuesday. So people say like Tuesday, Thursday, like that.
Yeah.
But it's not. It doesn't sound like a te. Like it sounds like a the.
Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday. So
Thursday. Ben başka şekilde söylemiyorum bu arada onu.
no, not to you. But like a lot of people like.
Hayır, sıkıntı şurada. İstesem de o şekilde söyleyemiyorum. Peltek çıkıyor her türlü.
Okay, try it.
Thursday.
Yeah,
Oldu mu?
still sounds like a T.
Değil mi?
Okay, this is a common thing for Turkish students because in Turkey or in Turkish you don't have that th sound, which is like the word thank you.
Ben öyle doğdum.
Yeah.
Ben sadece o T'yi söyleyebiliyorum.
Yeah. So like the word thank you, a lot of people like when you say thank you, it sounds more like a te, or some people say fe even, like thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's weird, but say it.
Thank
Yeah.
Çünkü-
So yes, so you have to do it with the tip of your tongue, like te. Instead of saying se,
Thursday.
like bring your tongue a little bit forward, and it comes as te.
Thursday.
That's a te.
Thursday.
Yeah. Okay. So next word we have is
Bir dakika, Thursday'i söyledik o kadar ama
Söyledik.
Perşembe.
Perşembe.
Söylemedim.
Yes, Perşembe. Perşembe. So this whole word we've been talking about is Perşembe, which is Thursday. Next word we have is
Friday.
Friday or
Cuma.
Cuma. Yes. So this is another word that people mispronounce. They always say Friday
Çünkü Friday.
because it's I mean, yeah, technically yes, but it's Friday. Okay, so the
Friday diye
I
kim söylüyor ya?
I have some students. They say Friday. Now let's go to the weekend. The first day, which is her favorite day, is
Saturday.
yes. Actually, she said it perfectly. Saturday. It's not Saturday. Some people say Saturday, but actually Saturday, like that.
Saturday.
Yeah, perfect. Saturday, which is in Turkish,
Cumartesi.
Cumartesi. Yes. Now, a lot of people's favorite day,
Pazar.
Pazar, which is
Sunday.
Sunday. Yes.
Güneşli gün.
Güneşli gün, yes, Sunday. Actually, a lot of them have this meaning to them.
Wednesday.
Yeah. For example, Thursday, it's Thursday.
Ne o?
Thor biliyor musun?
Ha, the Thor. Hani
Yes.
çekici olan.
Yeah. So actually, this was
Thor'un
his
günü
day.
mü yani?
Evet, evet.
Aa,
It was Thor's day. Then they changed it into Thursday.
çok iyi.
Monday was Moon's day.
Ay günü.
Yes, it was like Moon's day, so they changed it to Monday. So every day has a story behind it. Now we're gonna move on to the next section of our lesson. Now, Sarai, when were you born? Give me the date.
When were you born?
When were you born? Oh, before you answer that, this is something happened with me yesterday, so I just want to mention that the word is born, which is
Born.
in Turkish it's
Doğmak.
doğmak. There's a because a lot of people mix it with burn, which is yanmak.
Önceki videolarımızda ben de burn diyordum.
Yes, so I just want to mention that again. So it's not burn, it's born. Okay? Just to keep that in mind. So when were you born?
Sanki ben dememişim gibi anlatması çok tadımı kaçırdı şu an.
No, because yesterday with three of my students it happened. They said like I was burned. Like what the hell?
What the hell işte.
What the hell is?
Nerede yazdın?
Yes, so be careful with the word.
What the hell
born.
you born?
What the hell? Which hell were you born? Would you burn at? Okay, so when were you born?
I was born on the 4th of July,
4th of July,
2003.
2003. My God, you're so young. All right, and I was and I was born on the 2nd of August, 1990. So yes, so now this is an important thing. When you are talking about month, we say on. So I was born on the, and then we say the number of the day that you were born at.
Tamam.
Okay, so
Ya doğru kullandım yani.
yeah, doğru. Yes. So now we're gonna talk about the numbers because how do you say that in Turkish? Üçüncü, dördüncü.
Öyle demiyorum aslında. Ya şöyle doğum günümü söylerken 4 Temmuz'da doğdum
4
diyorum
Temmuz.
mesela. Ama
Evet.
İngilizce'de Temmuz'un dördüncüsünde
Dördüncü,
doğdum.
haha,
Dördüncüsünde.
Yes. So we have in English it's different than in Turkish. Yes. So let's talk about the numbers now. So when we say one, which is bir. But if you want to say birinci, first, do you know how we write first?
Yeah.
How do you write it?
F-I-R-S-T.
ST. Okay, that's the writing. But what about the symbol? Symbol.
One, and like there is an...
Small.
No.
Yes, small letters.
Small, ama şey yok mu orada?
Yes, above the one, S-T.
Ha tamam, şey yok. Böyle bir virgül, uçan virgül yok.
No.
Tamam.
Yes.
Aynen. One and ST. Çünkü first'ın sonu
Yes.
ST.
Exactly. So
Ben bunu zorlanıyordum hatırlamak.
this is a little bit difficult for people who don't know it. So birinci, if you want to write that in numbers like a symbol gibi, you have to write the number one. Then above the number one, you have to write S and T, which means first. Okay. What about two?
Second.
Second. How do you write in symbol?
Two. And above the letter, there is
The
a
number.
So sorry. And
D. Yes.
second'ın sonu and D.
Yes. So second and D and three, which means üçüncü.
Third.
Okay. Third. How do we write in symbol?
Three. And there is an RD. Above
RD. Above the number. Yes,
Above the
exactly. So after the third, when we start to go to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, and beyond, all of them,
TH.
yes, we put the number and then TH.
Fourth.
So for example, for her, yes, 4.
7. 8.
So let's read the month in English, and then we're gonna read the number of the month.
Tamam.
Okay, so the first month is
January.
which is in Turkish
Ocak.
Ocak. Next one we have
February.
Okay, this one is a little bit difficult. February.
February.
February. There we go.
February.
Yes, there we go. Okay, February. So, which is second. In Turkish, February is
Şubat,
February. Third month,
March.
March.
Yani Mart.
March. Okay, in Turkish, Mart. In English, March. Fourth one is
Nisan. Yani
Nisan. In English, April.
April.
April.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Very good. Next one we have fifth.
Bir de isim olarak kullanıyorlar, çok tatlı geliyor bana.
April. The name.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's named for women. April. It's actually nice. Yeah. Okay. Fifth month we have
Mayıs.
Mayıs.
Yani
or in English,
May.
May. Okay. So sixth month we have is
June.
June.
Yani Haziran.
Haziran. Yes. So June.
The next one.
Seventh month we have
July.
July.
Yani benim doğum ayım.
So that's her birthday. So we said July.
Yes.
Next one we have, which is on my birthday,
August.
August.
Yeah.
Yes, or in Turkish, Ağustos. Okay, ninth month,
September.
September.
Asıl ben şu son 4 ayı karıştırıyorum.
Really? It's the
Evet,
easiest one.
son D diyorum. Ben Türkçe'de bile karıştırıyorum ki. Eylül Ekim'in yerini karıştırıyorum sürekli.
Okay, in Turkish,
Eylül,
actually, I
Ekim,
don't
Kasım
know
demem
them. So.
gerekiyor.
Okay, so we have September, which is the ninth month. The 10th month, we have,
October.
yes, October. That's the the 10th month. The 11th month,
November.
November. In Turkish, it's.
Kasım.
And the last one,
December.
December, which is
Aralık.
Aralık.
Bir tek bunu karıştırmıyorum.
Okay, so this one she doesn't mix them. Okay, so these were the month of the year.
Yeah, these
Yeah.
were the months of the year.
So yeah, just pay attention to some of the words there, like February. You know that is always a tough one. But other than that, with enough practice to be able to like say the month without any problems.
Evet arkadaşlar, kanalımıza abone olmayı ve videoyu beğenmeyi unutmayın.
Yes.
Bu arada yorumları da okuduğumuzu tekrar söylemek istiyorum. Hepsini görüyoruz. Haberiniz olsun. Yazın.
Yes.
Ve bence kesinlikle abone olmayı unutmayın çünkü C1 C2'ye kadar yolumuz var. Hepimiz buradayız. Sabaha kadar buradayız.
Yes. Yes. So please continue your support to the channel. Like she said, like and subscribe. And hopefully with you, this channel will grow even further. And we're gonna have more fun together.
Bir de ya, insanlar yorumlara şey yazıyorlar. İşte B1 gelmeyecek herhalde ya falan yazıyorlar da. Vallahi hepsini çekeceğiz.
Please wait for us. We're still working on it. So we're gonna finish with the A, then we're gonna go with the B, then we're gonna continue all the way to the C. Maybe business English. We'll see what happens. And yeah, thank you so much for your support. And see you in the next video.